I'm going to talk about 5 money rules that every Gen Zer should know. These topics are important because it's all about being smart with your money and not having to work hard for your money. First, save. Save smart. In addition to retirement, you should have a savings account with 2 to 3 months of your income just in case of emergency. I suggest putting that into a high yield savings or a money market account so it's earning the highest interest as possible with access to it at any time. Consider investing in other savings that you accrue. Once you've accrued your savings, check out the stock market. I am a big proponent of investing in the stock market for the long run. Being an investor in the stock market is really important, and knowing the difference between investing and trading is also very important for you to know. So you need to consider that every time and every money that you have should be spent learning how to do something like this so you can make your money work for you. You can make your money work smarter. If you're unsure on how to allocate your savings or how these finances work, get your financial literacy by talking to advisors, developing best practices with your money, reading literacy books, getting yourself educated, investing in yourself when it comes to learning how to invest. Spend less than you earn. That is a simple one. In order for you to build your wealth, you need to spend less than you earn. It is so simple. Obvious tip that most parents did not teach their children. Basically, spend less than you earn. That is all. Don't spend more than you make. Make it a goal to stop living paycheck to paycheck. This is what's most important. If you don't want to have money issues and be financially free, you need to stop living paycheck to paycheck. If you spend more money than you have, you'll go into debt and you'll start borrowing from lenders, and those options are not good. Spending more than you earn will most likely definitely put you in debt, and you will not be. It's harder to come out of debt than it is to learn from it at the beginning. It is not a good financial position to be in. Make sure you pay off your credit card every month. Whatever I charge on my credit card, I make sure that I know what I'm charging, and I actually pay off my credit card every week. So I make a payment every week on my credit card. So I would say that suppose 2 years ago, today you see your credit card every day and you want to make a payment on it every week. So get a card that makes, you could pay it off a couple of times a week. Make sure you're getting good benefits out of your card. This will make you stay out of debt and build your credit score, which credit is the backbone of financial health, in my opinion. In America, if you do not have good credit, you will be stifled. Live on a budget. Live by a budget, live on a budget, live within a budget. Everybody needs a budget. It helps you to keep your financial goals in order. It helps you to be focused. Just like anything else, when you are trying to lose some weight, you have a scale, right? So a budget is your scale. A budget is your scale for your finances. You want to prevent yourself from spending more. You want to prevent yourself from eating more and not upping your weight. It's the same thing when it comes to finances. Your budget is your scale. You need to measure what it is that your goals are and where you want to be with your money. It allows you to zero in on poor money habits and break out of them. Budgeting can also help you prioritize on the savings of your money so you can have financial health as your number one thing to aspire for. The bottom line is you definitely need to use these best practices when it comes to your money for a great financial future so you can understand the wisdom and pass these wisdom on to your own children when it comes to smart money habits.
Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.